very good morning to one and all. University of Agriculture Sciences Bangalore is about to organize Krishi Mela 2023 with a theme of millets for food, health and income for a 4 days duration from 17th November to 20th November in the GKVK campus. In this program, they are about to release a book so-called Glimpses of Technology. As we know that this book is very informative as it contains information with regard to the new technologies released by the university. Firstly, this book consists of new varieties released by the university. A total of 5 varieties has been released by the university in the year 2023, which consists of 1 hybrid in sunflower and 4 varieties in ragi, little millet, porso millet and jackfruit. And the information with regard to the varieties as follows: ML322 in case of finger millet, in GPUL11 in a little millet and GPUP32 in proso millet and KVSH85 in sunflower, and in case of jackfruit it is GKVK red jack. Along with this information, this book also consists about new technologies developed for inclusion in package of practices. Under crop production, 15 new technologies, and under crop production, 15 new technologies has been added. Under the crop production, under the sector of agronomy, 8 new technologies has been added. And in case of soil science and agriculture chemistry, 3 new technologies. And in case of agriculture microbiology, 2 new technologies. And in horticulture, 2 new technologies has been added. In case of crop production, as I have mentioned, 15 new technologies has been released and the list as follows. In case of entomology, 10 new technologies has been added. And in case of plant pathology, 5 new technologies has been added. And finally, the agriculture engineering, in this sector, 2 new technologies has been added. And along with this information, this book also consists about varieties which are recommended for farm trials. And the information as follows: in case of maize, MAH 1584 variety has been recommended for the farm trials. And in case of cowpea, KBC 12. And in case of sunflower, KBSH90 and the CHMBT1 in case of black turmeric, and under the turmeric ISA Pratibha has been recommended for the farm trials. From this brief summary, one can say that this book is very informative for the people who need the information with regard to the new technologies released by the university in the year 2023. And finally,